In this video I'm going to show you how to add a web page to favorites on Safari browser. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And let's say I want to go to apple.com and add that site to favorites. So now all I have to do is hit on that share button, then scroll down for a bit until I find add to favorites and just hit on that. And now I can write there a title for that site. I can delete some text, I can add there some text, and after that I can just hit on save button and now hit on the tabs icon, close the tab and check that apple.com now in my favorites. And now also I can get access to my favorite site from that bookmark icon. I can hit on that, hit there on favorites, and there are all my favorite sites, so I can hit on any of that site to open it up. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.